Hidden Light, Luce Nascosta. Beautiful creation. It's romantic, natural, but in the same time bold. Whenever you shake the hair, you can see that that blonde is gonna be hidden, and then you're gonna see that the dominant is the brown. But whenever you brush it on a different way, you can see that this light pop up out.
Sectioning, 6 sections. Part your fringe into a small triangle from apex to the inner corner of the brow and twist. Clip away from the apex to the outside of the ear. Create 2 small triangles on each side from apex to parietal ridge and twist. Part crown into a half circle and twist. Step 1. Starting with your fringe, take 1/4 inch slices applying Formula 1. Step 2. Follow the same step for your 2 apex triangles, misting with Chi Bond and seal as you go. Step 3. Apply Formula 2 to the roots and ends on crown section and sides. Step 4. Use a foil to separate the nape from crown. The nape section will only have Formula 2 on the roots. Process for 30 minutes, rinse for 3 to 5 minutes with lukewarm water, followed by Chi Royal treatment, clarifying shampoo, and clarifying treatment. Step 5. Apply Formula 3 to your blonde sections. Process for 20 minutes, rinse and shampoo with Royal Treatment Color Gloss Protecting, shampoo and conditioner.